6G technology. So all we know that about 6G कि ये आने वाला है 2030 का, कैसा पता है। तो थोड़ा बहुत मैं यहाँ पे लेके आया हूँ to tell you about 6G की मतलब क्या चेंजेस आ सकते हैं, क्या चेंजेस आने वाले हैं, 6G से क्या होगा, तो कुछ हम डिस्कस करेंगे इसके बारे में। तो what is 6G? 6G is not just the connectivity, it is just a fully integrated digital reality. So the whole world may change in terms of wireless technology. We can say it is known as the generation of wireless technology. It's not just speed upgrade. Basically, it may shift the physical, digital, and the human world. These are the contents: evolution of mobile networks, first generation, second generation, third generation, the vision and the timeline of the 6G, कब कैसे क्या होगा, key performance indicators, on which parameters we can choose why 6G is better, which type of technologies may be enabled or may be incorporated in the future, and what are the application or we can say transformational use case, and what will be the challenges and securities concerned in 6G. So this is the evolution of generation of we can say wireless communication or mobile communication. In 1980s we have first generation, 1990s second generation, and so on. Presently we are in the era of 5G, fifth generation. So in this slide we can see that every 10 years the mobile technology evolves itself. अपने आप को change कर देता है भाई, ठीक है ना? तो by the end of 2020 we have 5G. तो ऐसा माना जा रहा है कि 2020 तक 6G हो सकता है। So you can see in first generation we have very low data rate, about 2.5 kilobits per second. Its name is AMPS, Advanced Mobile Phone System. In 2G, basically we know that it is a global system for mobile communication, and the data rate is 64 kbps. 3G 2010 में आया था, 2000 में आया था ये 32 Mbps, 1 Mbps की speed, and then 4G we have speed up to 1 Gbps on paper. On reality it is not possible, but on paper it is 1 Gbps. In 5G we have 10 Gbps speed, but शायद ही किसी को मिली हो 10 Gbps की speed. And in 6G it is considered that the speed may have 1 terabyte per second. What is 6G? ITU or framework IMT 2030. What is ITU? International Telecommunication Union, and IMT means International Mobile Telecommunication. These two are the associations which decide about the 6G technology, 6G architecture, 6G enabled circuit, enabled technologies, and कब तक ये होगा? So it is assumed that it will roll out up to 2030. So what is the core philosophy? Basically it merges the communication, computing, sensing, AI into a single and seamless infrastructure. In 6G we may have the facility of artificial intelligence in the we can say in the higher case, मतलब in the advanced stage. Why do we need 6G? In real time, as we know that कि आने वाले समय में in future we have more data traffic, more growth in traffic, more usability of traffic in case of data speed. तो हमको बहुत ज़्यादा डेटा चाहिए, बहुत स्पीड चाहिए. तो 5G is incapable, may be incapable by the end of the 2030 or 2029 कि वो इतना डेटा को या इतना ट्रैफिक को मैनेज कर पाए. तो explosive growth in global data traffic is the requirement of 6G. 5G limitation with ultra high fidelity immersive media, extended reality and holographic communication या holographic technology. 5G has limitation in these technologies. Need for sub-millisecond latency. Latency is a very important aspect in the communication. Latency means how much time is required to transmit a signal from transmitter to receiver. So it is assumed that